Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery level, active cellular data, and that you can change hotspot settings. Once ready, open Settings and navigate to Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. This is where you enable sharing. Toggle the hotspot on, then set a clear SSID name so you recognize it on other devices. For security, create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents unauthorized use and protects your data allowance. Next, configure how devices will join and how connections behave. Select the frequency band 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, because that affects performance and compatibility. Change the SSID to something memorable but non-identifying, and set WPA2 or WPA3 encryption with a strong password so strangers can't join. Once done, adjust client limits or an idle timeout to prevent unexpected data use, and to finally connect your client device. Open Wi-Fi, pick the hotspot SSID, and enter the password you created. After connecting, verify internet access by loading a web page or running a quick network test so you know data is flowing. If you can't connect, make sure mobile data is enabled on the host and then restart the hotspot. Toggling airplane mode briefly on the host often clears network state. If problems persist, reboot both devices and recheck AP band compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.